I found this problem on Facebook and I thought that I want to solve this and share with the world in YouTube video. So let's read the question together. It is given a function here, a polynomial function 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus ax plus b. Let's just assign it to fx to be that polynomial. Where x is a variable while a and b are constants. It says that fx is exactly divisible by x minus 2. What it means to say is that x minus 2 is one of the factors of fx. All right, if we are able to factorize this whole polynomial, then x minus 2 is one of the factors. And it also says that it leaves remainder of minus 36 when divided by x plus 1. So let's take a look at question A. We are asked to find the value of a and b. We can also put that f2 should equal 0. Okay, we are putting 2 from here. X minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. Then it leaves no remainder. And the second statement that says that when the polynomial is divided by x plus 1, then it will give you a remainder of minus 36. So let's put another function here, not a function, but we put in the value of minus 1, which we get from x plus 1. If x plus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. So let's put a function with the x value of equal to minus 1. That should equal to the remainder, which is minus 36. All right, now let's substitute 2 for x, and then later on substitute minus 1 for x. That should equal to minus 36. And we are expected to have two simultaneous equations which we can solve to get the value of a and b. Okay, let's do that. Let's do f2 first. Okay, now I'm putting 2 in place of x. So 2, that is the coefficient, the leading coefficient. So 2 cubed minus 11, 2 squared, plus ax, a times 2, or I should just write it as 2a, plus b, that should equal 0. Okay, now 2 cubed is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Minus 11 times 4. 2 squared is 4, so it's 44. Plus 2a plus b equal to 0. And simplifying it, we should get 2a plus b equal to 28. Okay, how do I get 28 here? Okay, 16 minus 44 is minus 28, and if I move it to the right, then minus 28 become plus 28. So I call this as equation 1. And let's do the green one here. f minus 1 is equal to minus 36. We should get the second equation from here, yeah, so that we can solve it. So again, I'm substituting minus 1 for x inside fx. So 2 minus 1 cubed minus 11 minus 1 squared. Okay, and then x is minus 1, that means minus a plus b. That should equal to minus 36. Okay, now minus 1 cubed is minus 1 times 2, that equals minus 2. Minus 1 squared is equal to 1, so that is minus 11. And then minus a plus b, that should equal minus 36. Okay, now let's rearrange this and make it a bit nicer, yeah. So minus 2 minus 6, that is minus 13. Minus 13, okay, let's just do step by step. Minus 13 minus a plus b equal to minus 36. So now I want to move this over to the right, that should become a minus b, and this guy over here shift to the left, that should become plus 36. Okay, now but I want to switch it side again, making it a minus b. That should equal to 36 minus 13, which is 23. Yes, okay. So this is my equation 2. So now we have two equations. equation 1 and equation 2, which we can easily solve for a and b through simultaneous equation technique. Okay, let's just continue here. Put a line there to separate them. So I take equation 1, then I plus equation 2, which means that I add the like items. The like terms, 2a plus a, that becomes 3a. And then b plus minus b, that becomes 0. And then 28 plus 23. That is 28 plus 23 is 51. Okay, so 3a is equal to 51. So now if we divide both sides by 3, so 3 cancels off, then we leave with a on the left side. So a then is equal to 51 divided by 3, which is 17. So we've solved for a now. So now let's put a equal to 17 into equation 2. All right, now this equation. So a is 17. 17 minus b, that is equal to 23, and that makes b equal to 17 minus 23, or b is equal to minus 6. So now we'll solve a, question a. So this whole thing is question a, yeah? Then we have solved it. Value of a and value of b. Okay, now let's do question b now. Hence, factorize the polynomial completely. Okay, this is how we're gonna do it. Because x minus 2 is one of the factors, then for us to find out the whole factorization of this polynomial, then we divide this polynomial fx by x minus 2. Okay, but before that, let me just put the whole polynomial here for fx. That is 2x cubed minus 11x squared, and then ax. Yeah, a is 17 now, so 17a. B is minus 6, so minus 6, like that. So let's do long division so that we can factorize completely. See, this is for b now. How do we do long division? Put in the polynomial here. 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 17x, not 17a. My mistake. 17x minus 6. Alright, now let's divide that by x minus 2. Yeah. Alright, now let's find the first result here. 2x cubed divided by x, that is 2x squared. Okay, now 2x squared times x minus 2. We have 2x cubed minus 4x squared, and then we subtract. This leaves with 0. Minus 11, this is like terms, so minus 11x squared, then minus 4x squared, which means that is equal to minus 11 plus 4, that is minus 7x squared. Okay, and then we put down 17x here, plus 17x. Okay, we do division again. Minus 7x squared divide by x, then we get minus 7x. Okay, now, and then minus 7x times x is minus 7x squared, and then minus 7 times minus 2 becomes plus 14x. And then we deduct again, we subtract again, becomes 0. 17 minus 14 becomes 3x. And then again, this 6, we drop down here, minus 6. And this is the last step in the long division. Then 3x divided by x is 3. Let's go and check it out. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 2, minus 6. Okay, it leaves with 0 remainder. So that is true that x minus 2 is a factor of polynomial fx. So now fx now is a product of a linear expression and polynomial with degree 2, 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. We can now factorize this expression here easily, x minus 2. So let's put here 2x squared, that means it's a multiplication of 2x and x, and then we have product of root of minus 3, which means to say that this is plus, this is minus, so it should be minus here, both sides minus, and 3, well, product of roots is 3, that means 1 times 3, and I guess 3 should be here and 1 should be there. So let's check out, 2x times x is 2x squared, that is correct. 2x times minus 3, that is minus 6x, and then minus x, that become minus 7x, and lastly minus 1 times minus 3 is equal to 3. So this is the whole factorization of fx. Okay, so we have settled problem A, question A and B, and I hope that you've learned something from it and you get the benefit, the most benefit from this video. So if you like the content of the video that I presented here, please consider subscribing to my channel and press the like button. Share as much as possible with your friends so that your friends can get the benefit from these videos as well. Okay, see you again. Bye bye.